Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make Google Sheets look good. Let's get started. Open your Google Sheets app on your phone. Then you have to prepare your data like this. And here I have prepared my data and I have input the data to Google Sheets. And let's practice how to make Google Sheet look good. You have to select the cells like this, and you have to put border to your cell by clicking on this border option and choose this one, choose this borders, click on the borders like this, and you have to select the table again like this, and you have to make the text centered by clicking on this option. And alright, and we can also put the color to the first row by clicking on the color option, but you have to select the cell first like this and click on the color option and choose the color that you like, and I'll go with blue. Just click on the color like this, and you can make the first row become bold by clicking on this bold option like this. And now it looks better, right? And I hope this tutorial will help you guys. Thanks for watching and see you.